Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your favorites list on Instagram. So go to your profile page here and select the three lines on top of your screen on the right. Select favorites, and here is where you can edit your favorites. You can remove all and add posts that really matters because they're going to be like higher up in your feed. But if their account is not in your favorites, it won't be like on your feed. Like it won't appear higher in your feed. It's going to appear, but it's just going to be like lower in your feed. So for instance, I'm just going to remove all, and I'm just going to add Taylor Swift as my only favorite account, and her post will be higher on my feed whenever she posts something. So that's it. Really, it's going to be automatically saved, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!